Before you visit Nanjing, you think you're a foodie. Then you arrive and realize this city has been perfecting flavor for 2,500 years. Fish head clay pot. The fish head is so tender, it falls off the bone with a gentle tap of chopsticks. Black pork ribs, glazed like amber. Crisp outside, tender inside. The sauce so thick it threads when you lift your chopsticks. Nanjing's delicious food leaves a lasting aftertaste. Next, let's admire the magnificent Nanjing Ming City Wall together. It's more than 600 years old, the longest ancient city wall in the world. It was built with mortar mixed with glutinous rice juice, and every brick is carved with the craftsman's name. Legend has it that when building the China Gate, the foundation kept collapsing. Zhu Yuanzhang borrowed the basin of treasure from the wealthy merchant Shen Wansan and buried it under the gate. Since then, the foundation has stood firm, and the gate is also known as the Treasure Basin Gate. After walking along the 600-year-old Ming City Wall and hearing the legend of the Treasure Basin, let's step into this peaceful woods and enjoy a wonderful outdoor camping time.